What's up, everybody? It's Wyatt's Dividends here. It is Friday. Markets closed 20 minutes ago, 3 o'clock Central Time. And this is what we're looking at the portfolio right now. Ended the week just over $3,000, up 1.77% and $52, which is all right. Decent moves in stocks today. S&P was down quite a bit. Pretty decent week for the portfolio. We were up overall. There was a lot of political news that happened this week. Some big runs with some stocks. So let's get into all that right now. So first was a buyout program for U.S. government employees that was ridiculously successful, and a judge ended up blocking it because 60,000 people signed up to quit their jobs and agree to pay through September, I believe. And District Judge George O'Toole, what a tool, he canceled it, blocked it, because it was too successful. Next, we had an update on the tariff war going on. Trump paused the tariffs on Canada and Mexico, but not China, after the Mexican government, the president, agreed to try to stop fentanyl trafficking, and Canada agreed to several terms. If we can find it here, so they signed up to a point of borders are, and they're, I believe they're going to buy new helicopters for Border Patrol. So that was a big development in that. I wish the Chinese imports would have got stopped. Nvidia would have jumped after that news, but as we look at it here in a minute, it ended up being pretty big this week. So if we come over to here to VOO, or the S&P 500 ETF that I'm in, we had a big jump around a $560-ish. Came back down a little bit, but we finished the week overall in the green. It was a pretty decent week. Again, not a huge move, not a huge week. We're on that 5-day, 5-minute candlestick chart. So yeah, good moves, but overall pretty sideways trading for this week. So the next stock we're going to talk about is Palantir, which had a huge run as it hit 100 for the first time, or maybe not the first time. Nope, first time. Huge green candlestick here on the 1 year chart, but the 5-day it hit 100, and there was kind of a little bit of uncertainty whether or not it was going to hold that 100, and it ended up holding it, and we finished the week right about 110, and it reached as high as 116 at one point. So yeah, real good week for Palantir. It was also a real big week for Nvidia after the big crash. If we get rid of all this, after the big crash it had way back here, shedding about $600 trillion in market cap. She ran up pretty good. If we go to the 1 month, if we could see 2 hours, 1 day intervals. If we go over here, it was a pretty big leap every day. For the whole week, it was actually in the green. I got in this trade right around here, and I'm up pretty nice on that. If we look over here at the all-time for Nvidia, I'm up $15 or 6%. So yeah, I'm really happy with that little buy. I wish we would have got call options, because that would have been a huge profit right here. But then again, that's a risky game, and I've already lost plenty of money playing calls. So yeah, that's where Nvidia ended up with for the week. This next stock is ASTS. It is AST Spacemobile Incorporated. And they had another very good week. As we can see, got all the way up to about 28, 27. If we go to that year-to-date chart for this one as well. It was a good week for this stock. And it ended up green. It looked similar to the Nvidia chart in this aspect. It just had several huge green candlesticks, except there was a little bit of a retracement for ASTS here at the top. Celsius has had a pretty bad week. Looking at the chart, it started all the way up here and just kind of bled all the way down to $22. So this is a very, very deeply discounted stock right now. If we go over to the 1 year chart, it's had a very, very tough months. We got June, July. It's just kind of bled all the way down to $22. This is a stock, if we see under $20, I'm going to buy multiple shares of this because I don't know, I like their product and I like the company. I think they have room to grow, and I think this sell-off was a little bit extreme, if you will. There just wasn't a whole lot of reasoning behind it. And I believe if it falls any further, people are going to start buying because they realize that it's a good stock, and I think under 20 is a very fair valuation for this stock. Coming back to the portfolio and scrolling down to the dividends tab, I got one payment yesterday on Thursday. Dividends for $1.47 per share, and I own 7 shares. So I got $7.33 from it, which is a pretty decent dividend, especially for only a $100 investment. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. There wasn't a whole lot that went on this week, so it's going to be a very short one, right around an 8-minute video. Make sure you follow my Twitter, and I post whenever I upload a new video, and obviously my incredibly accurate stock predictions, I think that's about it for the video. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk, and I'll see you on the next one.